New video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix missing chat history sign. Now on Messenger, let's start. Let's go to Messenger. Let's wait till this load. Then that we are here on Messenger, just go to our chats, and then let's go to the true lines in the left side. Then let's go to settings. Now let's scroll down and let's go to privacy and safety, and then let's go to end-to-end encrypt chats. Then let's go to message storage, and then let's go to turn on security storage. You have to create a pin for your chat history. You can create a pin form 6, continue with Google, etc. So let's click on continue. Let's put a pin. Let's wait, and it's done. Here you can check your history storage here of chats. You can turn off or delete your security storage here. And well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.